You are probably harboring tiny dormant cells right now, zombie cells that are quietly accelerating your aging and driving chronic disease. These cells refuse to die, lingering in your body and spreading toxic inflammation that affects everything from your joints to your brain. But a recent surprising scientific breakthrough points to an accessible, all-natural solution. The hidden enemy within, understanding senescent cells. For those of us over 40, the conversation around aging often focuses on hormones, diet, or exercise. Yet the secret to a profound rejuvenation might lie at the cellular level with these so-called zombie cells. Scientifically known as senescent cells, these are cells that have reached a state of stable growth arrest, meaning they can no longer divide. But critically, they also refuse to trigger apoptosis, the body's normal programmed cell death. Think of them as cellular relics, no longer functional, but still very much present. While in youth, these cells are swiftly identified and cleared by the immune system. Their numbers begin to accumulate dramatically as we age, driven by factors like DNA damage, chronic stress, and telomere shortening. The key danger posed by these senescent cells is not their mere existence, but their aggressive toxic output, which researchers have termed the senescence-associated secretory phenotype, or SASP. The SASP is a cocktail of highly inflammatory molecules, including cytokines, chemokines, and tissue-degrading enzymes, that senescent cells continuously secrete into the surrounding tissue. This toxic cloud creates a state of chronic, low-grade systemic inflammation throughout the body, a process often called inflammaging. It's this inflammaging, fueled by zombie cells, that is now recognized as a fundamental driver of nearly every age-related condition you can imagine. From stiff joints and diminished mental clarity to far more serious concerns like cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders, the accumulation of senescent cells is a direct, measurable pathology of aging. This realization has shifted the entire focus of longevity research from simply slowing down aging to actively clearing out the damaged cellular population. The senolytic solution, a targeted cleanse. This is where the term senolytics enters the spotlight, compounds specifically designed to induce the programmed death, or apoptosis, of these harmful senescent cells, leaving the healthy normal cells completely untouched. Senolytics are the cellular cleaners, performing the critical maintenance job that our aging immune system has become too sluggish to manage effectively. The most famous and well-studied senolytics were initially complex drug combinations, but the scientific search for accessible, natural compounds with senolytic power led researchers to the plant kingdom, and specifically to a class of compounds known as flavonoids. Flavonoids are rich antioxidant pigments found abundantly in fruits and vegetables, yet two of these, Quercetin and Fisetin, have emerged as potent natural senolytics that you can find today as affordable dietary supplements. Loved this video? You'll enjoy what's linked in the description too. Don't miss out. Fisetin, the star player for cellular renewal. While quercetin, found in capers, apples, and onions, is an established senolytic, often studied in combination with other compounds for enhanced effect, the more powerful natural discovery is the lesser-known flavonoid, Fisetin. Found in smaller quantities in foods like strawberries, persimmons, and apples, Fisetin has demonstrated superior senolytic activity in preclinical studies, showcasing a remarkable ability to selectively induce apoptosis in a broader range of senescent cell types compared to other flavonoids tested. This is particularly exciting because Fisetin is highly bioavailable and easily crosses the blood-brain barrier, offering unique potential benefits for cognitive function and the clearance of senescent cells within the brain, a critical area for maintaining mental sharpness and protecting against age-related decline. The mechanism of Fisetin's action is sophisticated, yet elegant. It disrupts the specific pro-survival pathways that senescent cells hijack to avoid death. While normal healthy cells rely on different pathways and are unaffected, the zombie cell's lifeline is cut, causing them to self-destruct. Once cleared, the inflammatory SASP is removed, allowing surrounding healthy tissue to regenerate and function optimally. This removal of cellular trash has been shown in animal models to not only alleviate age-related symptoms like frailty and reduced muscle mass, but also to significantly extend both the median and maximum lifespan, validating the idea that reducing the senescent cell burden is a key to healthier aging. How to deploy the $10 zombie cell hack. Now for the practical part. How to incorporate these powerful natural senolytics into your regimen without complex prescriptions or costly procedures. The key to unlocking the senolytic power of Fisetin and Quercetin is understanding the concept of intermittent dosing, often referred to as a hit-and-run protocol. Unlike a daily vitamin, senolytics are not meant to be taken every single day indefinitely. Research indicates that a short, high-dose pulse is highly effective because once a senescent cell is killed, it takes time for a new population to build up. By using a cyclical approach, you maximize the clearance benefit while minimizing potential side effects and cost. Here is the basic scientific protocol, which should always be discussed with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. For Fisetin, which is often the preferred and more potent compound, studies exploring longevity effects have used an intermittent, high-dose approach. A common scientifically explored regimen involves taking a higher dose for just 2 or 3 consecutive days per month, followed by a break of 4 weeks. Typical daily doses used in human equivalent calculations and early trials range from 500 milligrams to over 1,500 milligrams per day during this short pulse, often based on a calculation of approximately 20 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. For the average adult, this translates to a daily dose of roughly 1,000 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams for the 2-day period. For Quercetin, the most studied senolytic combination uses it alongside the chemotherapy drug dasatinib, but as a standalone supplement, doses typically range from 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams per day, also administered in a short, cyclical pulse over a few days each month, or sometimes in a lower sustained daily dose for its general anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. For simplicity and targeted senolytic action, many experts are now leaning towards the high-dose, pulsed approach with Fisetin alone. Crucial absorption tip. Both Fisetin and Quercetin, as natural flavonoids, are relatively fat-soluble and notoriously difficult for the body to absorb. To dramatically increase the amount of the compound that actually reaches your cells, it is essential to take your supplement with a source of healthy fat. This could be a spoonful of olive oil, a fatty meal like avocado toast, or better yet, a liposomal formulation of the supplement, which encapsulates the compound in tiny fat bubbles for superior absorption. Choosing a high-quality bioavailable supplement is the true hack that transforms a $10 curiosity into a potent longevity tool. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. Integrating the protocol safely. The evidence for senolytics like Fisetin and Quercetin is robust in laboratory and animal studies, and initial human clinical trials are showing promising results in areas like improving physical function and reducing markers of inflammation. They offer a tangible method to combat the silent cellular deterioration that is synonymous with aging. However, it is paramount to source your supplements from reputable manufacturers to ensure purity and potency. Furthermore, because these compounds can interact with certain medications and the science is still developing, anyone with a pre-existing medical condition, especially those on blood thinners or diabetes medication, must consult their physician before starting a senolytic regimen. This isn't about chasing a mythical fountain of youth, it's about applying cutting-edge biological science to optimize your health span, the number of years you live in good health. By actively clearing out the accumulation of inflammatory senescent cells, you're essentially performing a deep clean on your body's engine, potentially restoring tissue function, reducing systemic inflammation, and laying a stronger foundation for a vibrant and active second half of life. It's a simple, affordable, and scientifically supported tool that brings the power of longevity research directly to your medicine cabinet. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comments below. This ultimate science-backed guide breaks down the complex biology behind NAD+, NMN, and NR. Let's watch the next video here.